iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Ultimate tips, tricks, and hidden features you must know. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our latest tech tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, covering the best hidden features, tips, and tricks you need to know to make the most of your device. Trust me, you don't want to miss these. All right, let's start with some hidden features that most people don't know about. First up, did you know the iPhone 16 Pro has an amazing ProMotion display that you can customize for smoother scrolling? Let's dive into how to activate that feature. To turn it on, simply head to Settings, then Display, and look for the Motion option. Enable ProMotion for buttery smooth scrolling and transitions across your apps. Next up, the iPhone 16 Pro's camera has some insane capabilities, and I'm going to show you how to unlock them. If you're into photography, here's a quick tip on how to take better low-light photos using the AI enhancements on the iPhone 16 Pro's camera. Roll showing the camera app and sample low-light photos. By using night mode and selecting the long exposure feature, you'll be able to take crisp, clear shots even in the darkest environments. Just tap on the shutter button and let the AI do its magic. Battery-saving tips. Now, let's talk about battery life. We all know how frustrating it is when your phone dies halfway through the day. But with these simple battery-saving tips, you can get way more out of your iPhone 16 Pro. Roll showing iPhone settings for battery optimization. Head to Settings, then Battery, and activate low power mode. You'll also want to disable unnecessary background apps, which drain the battery. Trust me, this can make a huge difference. Advanced Pro Max features. This technology helps your phone create precise depth maps, which can enhance your photography or even help in AR experiences. So, if you're into gaming or just experimenting with AR apps, the iPhone 16 Pro Max takes it to the next level. So there you have it, some of the best tips, tricks, and hidden features for the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. Whether you want to take your photography to the next level, save battery life, or unlock some amazing settings, these tips will definitely enhance your iPhone experience. If you found these tips useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you're the first to know when we post new videos. I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite hidden feature on the iPhone 16 Pro? Let me know in the comments below. Comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Thanks again. Ben.